Hello. This is Eric from openaceai.com. We are going to go ahead and dig in on how to install on your Windows computer. Currently, you go to openaceai.com. You'll see our landing page here. And typically, we have two commands. It's for Mac and for Windows. So we're going to go ahead and copy the one for Windows. Now, it does say here open Power Terminal. I'm going to go ahead and open up on here on the Windows. And we're going to go ahead and type in PowerShell. Okay. And the first command we're going to do is right here. So we're going to go back. We're going to paste this in and hit enter. Okay, well, we're back here and we're going to go ahead and install on our terminal here, which is actually our PowerShell. Sorry, it's not called terminal, it's called PowerShell when you are on Windows. So what it's doing is it's installing the entire system or the entire software on your machine. And it's going to take a little bit because it does download from GitHub, and all the files and folders need to go into obviously one area. So right now it's going to probably take a couple of minutes, but this is basically how it builds the dashboard, which you'll see in a second. What we love about OpenAce is that our dashboard that we created is super easy to navigate. And what we've been noticing is that other AI agents or dashboard agents or whatever you want to call them, because there's a bunch of names now for them, um, they're very hard to install because of it all goes into your terminal. But what we did was we created a one-stop command for your terminal, and it opens up the onboard wizard, which we'll show you in a couple of minutes when it downloads. So you got to give it a couple of more minutes. All right, so now it successfully installed. It says to start OpenAce, run the command. Right, you want to run this command. Now, what's cool about Windows is right here it says start OpenAce now. You just hit yes, and it's gonna pop up. Welcome to OpenAce. And that is how you do it. Our onboarding is actually in the next video. We'll show you later. But right now, I hope you enjoy. I hope you get this installed very quickly on your computer and start having Ace work for you and generate some awesome, amazing income for your business. All right. Have a good one. Bye.